Welcome to East Tennessee Pinball. I'm up at Suttrie's High Gravity Tavern. Just going to try out a little mod on this Godzilla. I set this game up, started playing it, and buddy Jesse, he was noting, let me start a game up here real quick. When you do the skill shot, whoops, already had a ball. The ball will come up here and it'll just jiggle around. Either you do a real hard shot and it goes up there and bounces around, or it just wiggles around. It's hard to do a skill shot and get it to go smoothly up here and behind that flipper. The skill shot is to go behind the flipper and then right back in there. That's the big skill shot. So I'm going to show you what it kind of does. See how it just kind of, oh my gosh, I actually did it. Well, see that time, see how it jangled around there? That was the auto plunge. Let me go through. And it's going to take forever for the auto plunger to give up. Okay. Oh my gosh. Got a lot of ball save on this game. Okay.
We will return after these messages from Bonus.
So it actually worked. When I first put it up, I mean, I put 20, 30 times each jangle around, so maybe it's kind of worked its kink out at least a little bit. See if I can do it again. That wasn't too bad. Now I've got back to my... That was too hard. Too soft. Actually, it looks like mostly it's somewhat subdued. So I guess this little mod is basically, it's just some plastic with 3M adhesive. Turn the game off, it's kind of noisy.
The damage to the city is astronomical.
So it's just a little piece of plastic just lines up there and basically makes the shooter lane a little skinnier so the ball can't jingle around back and forth. So I guess at this point I don't need it too badly, but you know, I already bought it, so I'm gonna stick it in there, and hopefully it makes it even better. Okay, I got the mod installed, so I set it right up there. There's no instructions, but I set it right up there flush with that, which kind of, it sticks out a little bit, and it just got a 3-back adhesive. And this right there's a joint. There's another little piece, so it seems to be working better. I mean, it's much smoother. Well, that was too hard to tell. That was a little bit better. See that? Before it would not have done that smooth, that soft. So, it definitely works. Like I said, some of the problem worked itself out after a couple hundred plays or so. But when I first got this game out of the box, I mean, it wouldn't go up around there unless you did like a full plunge and did it really hard. It would just get. So just making that a little bit narrower, that fixed it. Anyway, this guy sells them on Pinside, luremods.com. So I don't know, they're like $15 or something, $20 at the time you get them shipped, something like that. If that bothers you, buy them and stick them in there. It takes about 30 seconds to stick them in there. Anyway, hope you liked the video. If you do, click the like and subscribe. Cheers.